Hey there, quick review on these motion activated LED lights. These are a great product. They're gonna come in super handy for a lot of different applications. Let's take a look at some of the features of this light. Very slick, sleek, stylish look, great for under cabinet lighting. You could mount this in a drawer that you want to have light whenever you open it up, all kinds of different uses. But you have your motion / light sensor up here. And then on the back, you have a USB-C charging port. Note that is not a micro USB, that is a USB-C. And then here you have your selector switch for your various settings. Right now, I do have this on motion detection mode. Now, because there is light out here, it's not gonna turn on, but if I bump this and kind of make it low light here, you'll notice there it just turned on for me. So that will stay on for about 20 seconds and then it will turn off until it detects motion in a low light condition again. Now you can select the off position, which is just the center position with the switch, and you can have it continuously on also. These don't have a really large battery reserve, so I wouldn't recommend leaving these on continuously unless you have some really specific reason to. If you do that, you'll be charging them fairly frequently. But if you want to put this inside a closet or something that you want just to turn on whenever you need to grab something in the middle of the night, something like that, where you're only going to be using the light for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, couple minutes, this is going to be perfect for that kind of application. Now they do give you two different mounting options, and it's going to depend on whether you want to be able to remove the light or not, on which mounting option you want to use. Here you'll see I have a metal strip. Now there's a magnet built into the back of the light, as you see, that clicks on there nicely. So let's say I wanted to put this inside my closet on a piece of trim. This has a sticky back and you can peel that off, stick this to your trim or to your wall, and then this would just stick onto the metal piece using the magnet. Then whenever you want to take it off and charge it, you would just pull it off. Now, if you want a little bit more of a permanent mount, they do also provide a couple of pads with double-sided tape so that you can stick the pad on the back of the light and then permanently attach that. That's going to be ideal for a situation where you would be plugging the charger directly into the light where you didn't need to remove it. Overall, these are a great product. They look fantastic and they're very functional. Going to be perfect for a lot of different situations. I'd highly recommend these.